Welcome to the WordPress Ultimate Security channel. In this video, we will show you how to get help and support from Ultimate Security. If you ever run into a problem or have questions or any feedback, this tool makes it easy to get the assistance you need. We start on the Ultimate Security dashboard. From here, let's go to the sidebar menu and click on the Help and Support link located near the bottom of the Ultimate Security menu area. On the Help and Support page, you will see a few primary resources available to you. On this page, you have a few ways to find the answers you need. At the top, you will see a box for documentation. Clicking this will open a new window in your browser where you can browse through detailed guides and tutorials to learn how each feature works. You can use the search bar on this page to find specific help topics quickly. Now back to the Help and Support page. Next to that, there is an FAQ box. This is a great place to check for answers to common questions. If you still need help, you can send us a message directly. Below the resource boxes, find the form labeled Send Us a Message. Type a short summary of your question in the subject field, and then write your full question or feedback in the message box within 1,000 characters. Before your message can be sent, click the checkbox at the bottom to confirm that you have read and accepted the terms and conditions. Once you have checked that box, click the Send Message button to send your message to us. Even if you prefer to communicate through your email, you will see our support email address listed right at the bottom of the page. That is how you can find helpful resources or get in touch with our team whenever you need assistance. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.